A health survey asking Duval County school students about sex is prompting some parents to push back. They say some of the questions should be off limits. Our Verify team answers the question, are students as young as 6th grade being asked about their sexual experiences? Our sources include the CDC, which administers their survey, and the Florida Department of Health. A copy of the 2023 survey on the CDC's website shows 4 questions about sex.
The Florida Department of Health has data on its website from the 2019 survey showing more than 5% of students answered yes to having sex before the age of 11. Through those documents, we can verify yes, students as young as 6th grade are being questioned about their sexual activity. On Your Side's Zach Wilcox spoke with groups with differing perspectives on whether this survey is needed. He joins us now in the studio. And Zach, I know students will be filling out this survey soon, but this survey isn't new.
Yeah, Anthony, the CDC has conducted this survey every 2 years, dating all the way back to 1990. The state of Florida as a whole isn't involved. Duval County Public Schools began surveying its students in 2009. I want to point out the questions aren't all about sex. They range from skateboarding to bullying, and it is anonymous. As much as the questions range, so do the perspectives on how beneficial it is.
We want to sound the alarm for parents to pay attention to see what letters are coming home, check your email inbox, and really ask questions to decide if you want your child to participate in answering these questions.
Moms for Liberty Duval Chapter Chair Rebecca Nathanson says the Youth Risk Behavior Survey has been on the radar for some parents after they recently noticed the district referred to statistics from it. Although not all the questions are especially personal, some are very personal, asking middle schoolers about condom use and how many sexual partners they've had.
We can understand the need for some health-related questions. We would like to ask the district to strike the questions of a very personal nature.
Understanding what young people are experiencing is very important.
Jasmine CEO Cindy Watson says more than 100 youth organizations came together when the data was released from the last survey and used it to build their services and programs. Jasmine is a Jacksonville-based LGBTQ advocacy group. And Watson says the fact that teens and preteens take the survey themselves is key to its effectiveness.
We're hearing directly from teenagers what kinds of risks they're taking, what kinds of challenges they're facing in their lives on a day-to-day basis, and particularly at school.
Moms for Liberty wants DCPS to send the survey to parents before it goes to kids and require parents to consent to their children being asked the questions.
The federal government recognizes that some of these questions are of such a personal nature that they should only be asked of students with the parents' full knowledge and consent, and we think that would be a good, fair solution.
I did reach out to a district spokesperson who mentioned the district will take a day to look into the issue, so I'll make sure to publish any updates we get on that on our website. Not every kid will receive this survey to fill out. The classrooms will be selected randomly. As it stands, if your student is picked, you'll receive a letter to choose to opt out. In the studio, Zach Wilcox, First Coast News, On Your Side.